Hey everyone. Today, I'm diving into some straightforward ways you can earn money online in Australia. Whether you're a student looking to make some extra cash or just exploring new income streams, these methods are easy to start with and can fit into your busy schedule. First up, we've got online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks, Taluna, and Pure Profile pay you for sharing your opinions. It won't make you rich, but it's an easy way to earn some pocket money during your study breaks. Next, freelancing. If you have a skill, writing, graphic design, coding, or even tutoring platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Airtasker are your go-to places. Just create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on jobs. Remember, building a reputation takes time, but persistence pays off. Then, there's selling products online. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, or even Facebook Marketplace can be great if you're into crafting, vintage items, or just have stuff to sell. It's a fantastic way to declutter and make some money at the same time. If you're into photography or have a knack for creating digital content, consider selling your photos or designs on sites like Shutterstock or Redbubble. Every download could mean extra cash for you. Ever heard of print on demand? Websites like Teespring and Printful let you design custom merch. They handle the printing and shipping, while you earn a commission. It's an excellent way to monetize your creativity without a big upfront investment. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. By promoting products on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media and using affiliate links, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your link. Websites like Amazon Associates or Commission Factory are good starting points. For those who love teaching, online tutoring is a fantastic option. Websites like tutor.com and Cluey Learning connect you with students who need help in subjects you excel in. It's flexible, rewarding, and you can do it from the comfort of your home. Also, don't forget about content creation. Whether it's a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a blog, creating engaging content can eventually lead to monetization through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. It takes time to build an audience, but consistency is key. Lastly, remote internships. Many companies offer remote internships that pay and give you valuable work experience. Websites like Intern Match and Seek can help you find these opportunities. So there you have it. Several ways to earn money online in Australia as a student. Start with one or two methods that suit your skills and interests, and you'll be on your way to making some extra cash in no time. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.